I want to know out of all the people at Moxon, who's going to get the closest to 400 millimeters. Hold the tape measure. I want you to put your finger, where do you think 400 millimeters is from here? 540, 370. Yeah, that's 400. That's why he's on the big dollars. 345, 480, 340, 407 millimeters, 440. But there, I think we'll give it to him. 425, 390, 482 millimeters, 390. We'll give it to us 399.
Oh wow.
480. 450.
That's
400. 490. Here are our 3 winners from the tape measure challenge. Check in next week to find out who's going to win the digital Vernier Caliper competition.